Have you ever wondered why some people seem to maintain soft, radiant-looking skin well into their 40s, 50s, and beyond? Many assume the answer must be expensive skincare products, luxury spa treatments, or complicated beauty routines with dozens of steps. But what if one of the most interesting skincare traditions has been around for centuries? Long before modern serums and designer creams filled store shelves, women in East Asia, including Korea, often relied on simple plant-based ingredients to care for their skin. One of those ingredients is camellia oil, lightweight, rich in nourishing fatty acids packed with naturally occurring antioxidants, and still used today in many beauty routines. Now, let's be clear from the beginning. Camellia oil is not a miracle product. It won't erase wrinkles overnight. It won't stop the natural aging process. And healthy skin is influenced by many factors, including genetics, nutrition, sleep, sun protection, and overall skincare habits. But when used consistently as part of a balanced skincare routine, camellia oil may help support softer, healthier looking skin. Today, we'll explore why this traditional beauty oil has remained popular for generations, what modern research says about its ingredients, and how you can decide whether it deserves a place in your own routine. And be sure to stay until the end because you wouldn't want to miss any part of all we have for you in this video. Now, remember to like the video, subscribe to Green Health Channel, and turn on your notification bell to get our latest uploads. Let's start. Why Korean skincare has gained worldwide attention. Over the past decade, Korean skincare has become popular around the world. From lightweight moisturizers to gentle cleansers and sunscreen, many people appreciate the emphasis on maintaining the skin's natural barrier rather than relying on harsh treatments. But there's a common misconception. Some people believe there's one secret ingredient responsible for healthy-looking Korean skin. The reality is much more balanced. Traditional and modern Korean skincare often focuses on several everyday habits: gentle cleansing, daily moisturizing, consistent sun protection, hydration, healthy eating, and patience, and taking care of the skin over time instead of searching for quick fixes. Camellia oil fits naturally into this philosophy. It's not about dramatic overnight changes. It's about supporting the skin with ingredients that help maintain moisture and comfort. Healthy-looking skin is usually the result of many small habits practiced consistently. What is camellia oil? So, what exactly is camellia oil? Camellia oil is extracted from the seeds of the camellia plant, particularly varieties such as Camellia japonica and Camellia oleifera. For centuries, it has been used in parts of East Asia for skin and hair care. The oil has a light texture that many people find absorbs easily without leaving the skin feeling overly greasy. Unlike some heavier oils, camellia oil is often described as silky and comfortable on the skin. One reason it's so popular is its nutrient profile. It naturally contains oleic acid, vitamin E, plant-derived antioxidants, and squalene. These naturally occurring compounds have been studied for their role in supporting the skin's moisture barrier and protecting against environmental stress. Remember, though, skincare ingredients don't work in isolation. Healthy skin depends on your overall routine. Camellia oil is one tool, not the entire toolbox. Why has camellia oil been used for generations? When an ingredient remains popular for hundreds of years, it's worth asking why. Traditional beauty practices often survive because people continue to find them enjoyable and beneficial. Historically, camellia oil has been used to moisturize the face, soften the hands, condition the hair, and even help protect the skin from dryness caused by wind and cold weather. Before modern skincare laboratories existed, many families relied on natural plant oils available in their local environment. Camellia oil became one of those trusted staples. Today, researchers continue studying plant oils to better understand how they interact with the skin. While modern science doesn't confirm every traditional claim, it does help explain why some oils have remained favorites for generations. 7 ways camellia oil may support healthy-looking skin after 40. Now that we've covered what camellia oil is and why it has been used for generations, let's talk about what it can realistically do. Notice the word realistically. There are plenty of videos online claiming one oil can erase wrinkles overnight or make you look 20 years younger. Healthy skin simply doesn't work that way. Instead, think of camellia oil as a supportive ingredient, one that may help nourish your skin while complementing a well-rounded skincare routine. Let's look at 7 potential benefits. Benefit number 1, may help lock in moisture. One of the biggest skin changes after 40 is dryness. You may notice that your skin feels tight after washing, or perhaps your skin simply feels thirsty, especially during colder months or in air-conditioned environments. That's because mature skin often produces less natural oil than it did in younger years. Camellia oil acts as an emollient, meaning it helps soften the skin and reduce moisture loss. Think of it like placing a light blanket over your skin. The blanket doesn't create moisture. It simply helps keep existing moisture from escaping too quickly. That's why many people apply camellia oil after using a hydrating toner or moisturizer. The water-based products provide hydration. The oil helps seal that hydration into the skin. This simple layering technique can leave the skin feeling softer and more comfortable. Benefit number 2, may help support a healthy skin barrier. Have you ever wondered why some people's skin seems easily irritated while others rarely experience dryness? Part of the answer lies in the skin barrier. Your skin barrier is the outermost protective layer that helps defend against environmental stress while keeping moisture inside. When this barrier becomes weakened, your skin may feel dry, rough, sensitive, tight, easily irritated. Camellia oil contains naturally occurring fatty acids that may help support this protective layer. A healthier skin barrier often means skin feels calmer, smoother, and better hydrated. This doesn't happen overnight. It's usually the result of consistent care over weeks and months. Benefit number 3, may help the skin appear smoother. Sometimes what we think are new wrinkles are actually made more noticeable by dryness. When skin lacks moisture, fine lines can appear deeper and more defined. Once the skin becomes better hydrated, those same lines may appear softer. Notice the difference. We're not saying the wrinkles disappear. We're saying hydrated skin can reflect light more evenly, making the overall complexion appear smoother. This is one reason facial oils have remained popular for generations. They don't change your facial structure. They help the skin look healthier by supporting moisture and softness. Benefit number 4, provides naturally occurring antioxidants. Your skin faces challenges every day: sunlight, air pollution, dry indoor air, wind. Even normal body processes create molecules known as free radicals. Over time, free radicals contribute to oxidative stress. Camellia oil naturally contains vitamin E and other antioxidant compounds. Antioxidants help neutralize free radicals, supporting the skin's natural defenses. Of course, antioxidants in skincare work best alongside antioxidants from your diet: colorful fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, healthy fats. Beautiful skin is supported from both inside and outside. Benefit number 5, may help improve the look of dry, dull skin. Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought your skin simply looked tired? Not wrinkled, not damaged, just dull. Healthy skin reflects light naturally. When the surface becomes dry or rough, it can appear flat and lifeless. Camellia oil helps create a smoother surface, allowing the skin to reflect light more evenly. This may contribute to a fresher, healthier-looking complexion. It's a subtle improvement, but sometimes subtle changes make the biggest difference. How to choose a quality camellia oil. If you're interested in trying camellia oil, here are a few things to look for. Choose a product that clearly lists 100% camellia seed oil or camellia japonica seed oil or another clearly identified camellia species on the ingredient list. Cold-pressed varieties are often preferred because the extraction process may help preserve naturally occurring compounds. A dark glass bottle can also help protect the oil from light, which may help maintain its quality over time. Once opened, store it in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight and always follow the manufacturer's storage instructions. And before using any new skincare product on your face, it's a good idea to do a small patch test on an area like the inside of your forearm or behind your ear to check for sensitivity. So, why do many Korean women and people around the world continue to appreciate camellia oil? Not because it's a miracle, not because it can stop aging, but because it's a simple, time-tested ingredient that may help support healthy-looking skin by nourishing the skin's moisture barrier and reducing dryness. After 40, our skin naturally changes. That's a normal part of life. The goal isn't to erase every line or chase unrealistic beauty standards. The goal is to care for your skin in a way that helps it stay comfortable, healthy-looking, and resilient. Sometimes the most effective routines aren't the most expensive. They're the ones you can stick with every day. If camellia oil becomes part of that routine, think of it as one piece of the puzzle, not the entire picture. Pair it with balanced nutrition, regular hydration, restful sleep, physical activity, and sensible sun protection. Over time, those small choices can make a meaningful difference in how your skin looks and feels. Because healthy skin isn't built in a day, it's built through consistent care. If you enjoyed today's video, we'd love to hear from you. Have you ever tried camellia oil, or is there another natural skincare ingredient that's worked well for you? Share your experience in the comments below. Your tips might help someone else discover a routine that works for them. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It lets us know you're enjoying this kind of content and helps more people discover practical, science-informed wellness tips. And if you're new to Green Health, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Every week, we share simple, research-informed ideas on healthy aging, nutrition, natural wellness, and skincare, always focused on realistic habits rather than quick fixes. Thank you so much for watching. Take good care of yourself, be kind to your skin, and we'll see you in the next video.